Assigning a speed dial number on the Galaxy S24 allows you to quickly call a frequently contacted person by simply pressing and holding a designated number on the keypad. This is how you can easily do it. First, press the home button to return to the home screen. From there, open the phone app and make sure the keypad is viewed. Next, tap on the More button or the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Speed Dial Numbers. In this menu, you can manually enter a phone number or tap on the contact icon to choose a contact from your list. Here, I'll choose a contact. You can see that it is currently assigned to number 2. To change the speed dial number, tap on the drop-down menu. You'll notice you have a lot of options, going all the way up to 999. Today, I'll assign just a few numbers. Let's assign speed dial number 6. Enter the phone number manually or select a phone number from your contacts list. Now you can see it's assigned to key number 6. To use the speed dial, tap the back key to return to the phone app. On the keypad, simply touch and hold the assigned number and it will automatically dial that contact. And that's it. Finally, press the home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.